All right, so we're going to take a look at the first two problems in notes here, in our study guide. So if we look, the first two are just simplifying the polynomials and then classifying by terms and degree. Okay, so we'll start here. It might help if you have multiple colors. I don't with me at the moment, but I'm going to underline in a certain way. So I've got my a squareds here. I've got a's, and then I've got, I'll just leave these would underline as my numbers. Okay, so I'm going to combine my like terms. So I have a squared minus 3a squared. So that's going to give me negative 2a squared. I've got 12a minus 5a. So that's 7a plus 7a. And then negative 7 plus 8 would be 1. Okay, so I'm not done. I do need to classify by the number of terms. So this is a trinomial since there are 3 terms. And if I look, my highest degree is 2. So second degree. Okay, so that's number 1. Let's take a look at number 2. So same idea here, but this time we have a little bit more complicated. So again, I'm going to look at my ones that are alike. Okay, and I'll start with those. 7x cubed y squared minus 9x cubed y squared is negative 2x cubed y squared. Looks like I have 3xy squared and 2xy squared, so that'll give me plus 5xy squared. I've got a 6x and a 5x, so if I add those together, that's 11x, and then minus 1. Okay, since I have 4 terms, there's no official name besides polynomial for that. And I want to look at my highest degree or combination. So if I look here, this would be 1, that would be 3. But if I add 3 and 2 together, that's 5, which is the highest degree. So we'll say 5th degree. And that would be how we would do number 1 and number 2. I can stop the recording now.